In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted project in CapCut. If you've accidentally deleted a project and you're worried it's gone for good, don't stress. I'll walk you through the exact place to look and how to bring it back in just a few clicks. First, open CapCut. You can do this in your browser or via the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're in the workspace where you usually edit, since deleted items are tied to the specific space or team you're working in. Next, go to Spaces and click your Profile or Workspace tile. This takes you to the hub where all your projects, folders, and team assets live. If you use multiple spaces, double-check you've selected the one where the project was originally created, because the trash is different for each space. Once you're inside your space, click Trash. Think of this as a temporary holding area for deleted projects. CapCut keeps items here for a limited period before permanently removing them, so the sooner you check, the better your chances of recovery. If you don't see trash right away, it's usually in the left sidebar or inside the project management section. Now, wait for the page to load fully. This step matters because previews and thumbnails may take a moment to populate, especially if your connection is slow or you have a lot of deleted items. Give it a few seconds so everything is visible and searchable. When the list appears, select the deleted project you want to restore. Look at the project name, the last edited time, and any thumbnail previews to make sure you're picking the right one. If you have many similar projects, use the search or sort options to narrow it down by date. With the project selected, click the three-dotted menu, sometimes shown as More Options. This menu is attached to each project card or row and contains the actions you can take on that specific item. Finally, click Restore. CapCut will return the project from trash to your main projects area in the same space. After restoring, head back to your Projects tab and open it to confirm everything looks right. If any media files were stored locally and have been moved or deleted since, you may need to relink them, but the timeline and edits themselves should be back. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Restored projects are only available if they haven't been permanently removed from trash. If you can't find yours, check other spaces or teams you belong to, and consider setting up regular backups or exporting important versions. That way, you'll always have a safety net.